This how to 1 minute will show you how to access your WordPress dashboard with login password and from cPanel. First of all, let's access the WordPress website using WordPress login password. Open your browser and type your website name. And after your website name, give a slash and type WP admin. And then you will jump into your WordPress website dashboard login page. Here, enter your login username or email address and enter your password and click on login. And then you will be logged into your WordPress dashboard. And if you forgot your WordPress login username and password, then follow these steps to log into your dashboard from cPanel. Open your website cPanel and click on Softaculous Apps Installer. And now click on WordPress. Scroll down a little bit. Inside of current installation section, you will find this login as admin icon. So click on it. And then you will directly jump into your WordPress dashboard without login password. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.